In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pen tool in Figma by tracing over the Twitter logo. If you've been curious about how to harness the power of Figma's pen tool, or if you simply want to improve your tracing skills, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through this step by step, so let's get started. First, let's head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that designers worldwide love. You can open your favorite browser and navigate to figma.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on the login button, which you should find on the main page. Enter your credentials and you'll soon be on your way to accessing your design projects. Once logged in, you'll land on the Figma homepage. This page gives you access to all your recent files and invites you to explore shared designs. To start working on our project, click on Design in the navigation bar. This will bring up your design files and make it easy for us to begin our hands-on session. Now that you're in the design interface, let's import the Twitter logo. There are various ways to import images into Figma, but a straightforward approach is dragging and dropping the file directly onto your canvas. If you haven't downloaded the logo yet, you can do so by searching for Twitter logo PNG in your search engine and selecting a high quality version. With the logo now visible in Figma, we can move on to the fun part, using the pen tool. On the top left of your screen, there's a toolbar that contains the essential creation tools you need. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. Here you'll find the pen tool, and it's just begging to be used for artistic exploration. Select it and let's start tracing. As you begin tracing the Twitter logo, start by laying down anchor points at the key vertices of the logo's paths. Click to create sharp angles and click and drag to produce smooth curves. The pen tool might seem a bit intimidating initially, but with practice, you'll notice how versatile and intuitive it can be. Take your time to trace over the logo image carefully, adjusting curves and lines as you see fit. It's important to zoom in for accuracy. Make sure there's no rush. Precision is key when working with the pen tool. As you progress, remember to adjust the stroke and fill as needed to match the original logo. And there you have it, you've successfully used the pen tool in Figma to trace over the Twitter logo. Practice using these techniques and soon enough, you'll be creating complex shapes and designs that are as professional as they are eye-catching. Happy designing!